How to know if someone restricted you on Instagram. If any day you are an Instagram user and you would like to know if someone restricted you on Instagram but you do not know how to check that, just follow the following steps. For that, first of all, you have to launch the very Instagram application on your mobile device. You can find the very Instagram application on your mobile device, and after finding it, you can just tap on that very Instagram application, and this way, Instagram will be launched on your very mobile device. After that, in order to find whether the person has just restricted you or not, what you can do is you can tap on the post of the very person like this, and after you tap on the post of the very person or the account of the very person like this, you can tap on any of the posts of the very person, and then you can go to the comments section like this, and you can tap any of the comment there and you can send it. Now after you tap on any of the comment and after you send it, now you can ask any of your next friend to see the very comment on the post of that very friend whom you are just suspecting that the person has restricted you. Now you can see that they will not be shown any of the comments of yours. So this is one of the reason on how you can know that the person has restricted you on Instagram. The next option is that you can go to the search like icon on your very mobile device, and then you can tap on the very person. Now if the very person has restricted you, what happens is that the person will not be answering your various kind of messages on time. Like that, you will also not be able to see the various activity status there and the various kind of activity that the person is doing very nicely. So these are the steps on how you can see whether the person has restricted you or not on Instagram. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.